Good morning students. In previous video we have seen the advantage of urbanizations. Dear students, today we will see the problems of urbanizations. Okay, as you know, every day the population of urban area is increasing. Okay, so which type of problems are created in urban area? Okay, today we will see one by one. The first problem, slum area. Because of the urbanizations, the population in cities increases rapidly. Okay, it is right. Due to the urbanizations, the populations of cities increases rapidly every day. Okay, day by day. But the housing facilities do not increases in the same proportion as populations. So, as you know, the population increases, but the housing problem is not increases. Okay, just like populations. So, most of the migrant people are economically weak. They cannot afford the housing offered in the cities. So, those people migrate from rural area to urban area. Okay, so most of the migrant people, okay, they are weak economically. That's why they are not able to purchase the high price land in the mega cities. That's why migrated people have generally comes from employment, but it is not necessary that they get a given job. Hence, incomes are very low. Such people build temporary and semi-structured house in the open space. So, dear students, every year in the mega cities or metropolitan cities in urban area, those students are well qualified, civilized, educated. They migrated toward the urban area in search of job. That's why, okay, when they reach in the urban area in the search of job for the employment, but it is not necessary, or it is not, you can say, necessary to they will get a good और रिलेवेंट जॉब. मतलब जितने भी सारे लोग सिटी में ओके माइग्रेट होते हैं, सभी को अच्छा जॉब मिलेगा, ये बात सही नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई हेंस इनकम्स आर वेरी लो, मीन्स दे गेट वेरी लोअर क्लास जॉब. ओके, मीन्स दे रेडी टू डू एनी वर्क, ओके, फॉर देयर to satisfy their needs. That's why hence income are very low. उसकी income बहुत low रहती है. That's why such people build temporary semi-structure house in the open area outside the city. क्योंकि सिटी के बाहर क्योंकि जो ओपन एरिया है वो वहाँ पे वो टेम्पररी हाउस बनाते हैं. These houses are mostly illegal. They do not get basic facilities from the local self-government. So that house or that place are illegal. मतलब जहाँ जगह मिलती है वो वहाँ पे अपना छोटा सा घर बनाते हैं. ओके, and it is not legal, it is illegal. That's why they didn't get the basic facility provided by government, provided by self-government or local bodies. The density of houses is very high, roads are narrow, there is a lack of basic facilities. This slum keep on rising uncontrollably. So, means they build a semi-structured house, or you can say very low quality houses in the open space or outside the city. So, government didn't provide them a basic facility. So that's why their roads are very narrow. Okay, that's why there is a lack of basic facilities, and the slum keep on rising uncontrollably. इसलिए जो slum area है, slum मतलब झोपड़पट्टी एरिया, okay, they rises rapidly uncontrollably. Okay, मतलब वो अपने मन से जहाँ देखो वहाँ अपना घर बनाते हो और कैसे भी रहते हैं. This may give rise to social and health related problems. So in the slum area, they create a different type of problems, health problem, social problems, because government didn't provide them a basic facilities. That's why, and their income is very low. Okay, that's why government you can say is not, you can say, provided them basic facility. Second problem is traffic jam. As cities grow, people start living in the outskirts or suburb of the city. So all of you knows, due to the urbanizations, now today also everyone have two-wheelers, okay, four-wheelers. That's why that cities grow, you can say traffic. People communicate from suburb to the center of the city for business and industries, trade, job, educations. So everyone is connected to city, suburb, and they went there every day, okay, in office, for the trade, business, industries, educations. That's why they increases. That's why they increases the traffic in the central place of city. Public transportation system is not sufficient, and hence the number of private vehicles increases. That's why public transportation system is not sufficient. That's why they increases the number of vehicles. This lead to an increases traffic jam. That's why they increases the traffic jam. Okay, and traveling times increases significantly. So if you want to, okay, go to one place to another place, and if there is a traffic jam in central place of the city, that's why what will happen means you couldn't reach there where you want to go due to the traffic jam. So dear students, first problem create slum area, jhopalpatti area. Second problem traffic jam. Okay, this problem create in city area. Next problem pollutions. All of you know, all of you familiar. Okay, pollutions, pollutions. Pollution is major problems in the cities as adverse effect of the urban area, air pollution, noise pollution. Okay, all these problems. Okay, जहाँ पे जो शहरी विभाग है, okay, शहर ए है, okay, वहाँ पे pollution सबसे ज़्यादा होता है, because you know most of the area is covered by industrial area, and due to the industrial area they create air pollutions, noise pollution, water pollutions. Okay, yeah, increase in the development of city facilities and breaking a law makes pollutions big problems. As cities grow, population also increases. So all of you know, okay, this in the urban area pollution is too much great, or you can say big problems, and due to these pollutions, all of you knows, we faces many problems, just like our health problems, water pollutions, noise pollutions, okay, what air pollutions. That's why these pollutions is a great problem created in the urban area, and all these problems are creating due to the overpopulations. किसकी वजह से हो रहा है? Overpopulations. Then dear students, the next problem is crime. The people who have migrated, people do not always find employment in the city. Some of them look for means to earn money through the illegal way. So dear students, nowadays everyone want luxurious, comfortable, easy life. So many people are migrating toward urban area, and those people will get good job. Okay, they settle there, they build their houses, but those people didn't get good job, their income is very low. Okay, they settle, or you can say they build the house outside the country, and if they didn't satisfy their you can say wants or demand, okay, they committed different type of crime to fulfill their needs, to fulfill their requirements through the illegal way. This lead to increase in the crime rate of the cities. That is why they increases the rate of crimes. So all of you knows, in the cities area, okay, there are different type of crimes happen, okay, every day, okay, every hours. That's why this lead to the serious law and order issue bringing pressure on the public, police, judicial systems. So they create a tensions as well as pressure on the police and judicial systems. In urban area, due to the overpopulations and the migrant, especially migrant people, okay, migrated peoples, okay, they did such type of crimes. Beside the above problems, enormous increases in the land price. उसके अलावा अभी आप जानते हो the land price are increases very rapidly. जो ज़मीन के रेट हो, जो प्लॉट के रेट हो, के increases very rapidly, as well as struggle between the various groups or struggle between various groups and create tension on the cities. This can disturb the social harmony of the cities. That's why this type of problems means slum, traffic jams, pollutions, crimes, okay, all these problems disturb the social harmony of the cities. That's why dear students, in the mega cities, in the metropolitan cities, okay, every day we see on the newspapers, on the televisions, okay, different crime happen, okay, every day, okay, they committed different type of, okay, suicide, okay, you can say many theft, okay, burglars, okay, all these problems happen in the cities. So dear students, in this way we finish this lesson. Okay, next lessons we will see next video. Thank you.